to another vlog. It is now, today's Friday, and this is my outfit of the day. I am in Orlando. It is Classics weekend. I'm actually here with my boyfriend. He's here for his job and he asked me to come, so I met him here last night. So this is my outfit of the day. I am wearing this top from my Ross haul, my favorite jeans, also from Ross, these gold shoes, my pochette fleecy. I usually wear it like on my arm, but I don't know. I'm debating if I want to just leave it like this or put it on my arm. And I have my hair still the same way. I have silver jewelry. I was thinking about changing it to gold since everything else is gold, but I'm gonna be lazy. I do have makeup on. I didn't do like my normal everything. I just literally just have on foundation on my cheeks. I didn't even put it on my forehead, and lip gloss and some eyeliner. That's all I did over there. So yeah, this is how it looks. And I have a jacket just in case it's cold, some Fiji water, and a mask. I'm about to go to the mall. My friend is coming up here and she's planning something for her boyfriend because her boyfriend is actually from here. So I am meeting her later on tonight and she just needs me to pick up like a few things for her. So yeah, let's head out. I should have given you guys a proper room tour, but this is pretty much how the room looks. A mess. And this is our view. We're actually like literally next door to Disney World. So Disney World's like to the left. I don't know if you guys could tell, but so yeah. We're staying at the World Marriott. This is the longest walk ever. I'm not even sure if I'm going the right way, to be honest. It's big in here. It's the biggest hotel ever. Like, is he sure? Oh, I found the sign saying self-parking garage. Hey guys, so it is now the next day and it's actually the next day at nighttime, and I literally spent the whole day just working on my videos for the week and just working on my website because my boyfriend had to work the whole day. So I've just been like just doing work, and I'm like, you know what? Let me spend my last few hours here. I'm gonna go shopping, my favorite thing to do. So I'm about to go to Ross. And I want to show you guys my outfit. So I have these leather shorts on that I got from Ross. That's actually going to be in my video that I was working on today. I got this black bodysuit from Ross, and I'm just wearing the same Louis Vuitton bag from yesterday. It's the only purse I brought with me, and just these gold sandals. And yeah, this is pretty much my outfit. I probably should change my jewelry to gold jewelry. You know what? I'm going to do it. Let me just see how it looks. I'll be back. So this is how it looks with the gold earrings that I bought with me. And I put eyeliner on and I put some lip gloss on just to kind of, spice it up a little bit. I'm like, maybe I should just go out and put a little foundation on my cheeks. So I think I will. I might as well. I might as well just look real cute. I'll be back. So this is how my hair looks with the earrings. I actually was thinking about taking these earrings back, but I kind of like how they look actually. So I'm glad I think I'm gonna keep them. I really like this outfit that I just threw together. I'm feeling it. I hope it's not too cold outside, because then I'm like, dang it. I'll bring a jacket just in case, but my jacket don't really go with this, so hopefully I don't need it. But yesterday was a success. I couldn't really record because I just had so much in my hands, but I was able to get all the stuff from my friend who's trying to surprise her boyfriend because it was his birthday. So I was able to get everything for her, so that was exciting. But and then I just came back to the room and oh, what'd I do? Oh, I went and got food and I came back to the room and I just hung out with my boyfriend. And then this morning what did we do? We just hung out and then he had to leave because he had meetings at 10. I was like, ugh. But yeah, so let's head out. I think I just gotta make sure I have my room key and I'll be ready to go. Yeah, I'm feeling these earrings. I'm feeling them. I haven't curled my hair since I got it done. And I was like, if I go out, I'll curl it. But if not, whatever. I'm just gonna like wear it like this because I don't care. Yeah. I literally just been wearing it like this. And it's been fun. It's been fun. It's been fun. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go now, for real. Today's Wednesday, and right now, if you guys could see, I am about to go look at apartments for my business because I said apartments. I'm about to go look at office spaces for my business because I just really would like to have like a space where I could keep all my things and just work from and just be productive. I'm about to go look at this space right here and yeah, so hopefully I can record and show you guys what I'm looking at. It's a co-working space, so I just want to kind of rent like a suite. I'm not sure where it is, so I'm kind of early. I'm like 10 minutes, 15 minutes early, so I can kind of figure out where I'm going. But when I looked online, it looked nice and it had like windows. Like my dream space would be just like, you know, a small room that has like windows and like privacy, so I don't feel like someone's watching me when they walk by. Like I don't like the co-working spaces where people could kind of like see what you're doing. Like I don't like that. So, and also I have to see if it's okay because it's for my clothing store, so I have to see if it's okay to even have that there and to work out of there and do that type of work there, because I know like a lot of places have like restrictions on what you can do. So we'll see what happens. So let's go look. Oh, hey, these are my new glasses. I just got them, so yeah, I feel like they make me look very like sophisticated and smart and like, you know. For my outfit, I'm just wearing this set that's from my clothing store and this bag from Ross. So let's go inside. So I'm done with the tour. Unfortunately, I couldn't record, sadly, because all the office spaces that I saw, they were occupied. So people's like personal things were out, but it was just way out of my price range. Like I didn't want to spend more than like $600, and the cheapest they had was $800, and then the ones she was showing me were like $1,400, and I'm just like you know, at that point I can get like in an apartment or something. So yeah, back to the drawing board. I think it was another place here, I have to check, but yeah, I'm pretty bummed out about this though. But yeah, I'm gonna head home now. First P.O Box opening. First one. I am home now, and I wanted to do that unboxing with y'all. This is my first PR package, and I got sent skincare from a company called Your Skin. So let's see. Y'all, it's so cute. Look at this packaging. How cute. It says it just works, and it's like for you. I'm super excited to try. Like, I've been having problems with my skin, and how this company works is that you take like a skin quiz, and then they send you products based on what they think you need. So yeah, I'm excited to try. Like, this is like super nice. And this is the side of the box. It just says soothing, cleaning, customizing, healed. Y'all, like, this box is very hard. Like, this is a nice box. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera so I can show y'all. When you open it, it just says your, and it just works for you. And then when you open it, it says the world's most responsive personalized skincare, hashtag you're kind of confident. And it has like this really cute flyer, and it has like different, oop, I'm about to drop it. It has a morning routine and a night routine. And then, wow, I'm like a sucker for packaging, y'all. Like, look how cute this is. Like, even the tissue paper is like has their brand on it. So if I could just get these papers to just stay open. So they sent me this headband. Oh, that's so cute. This is perfect to keep like your hair out of the way. And okay, so they tell you like different ingredients. I have a night cream. I have a day cream. I have a serum. Oh, the top came off of this. A cleanser. And okay, and it comes with like a little drop it. So I guess for the serum. So this is so cute. So that's everything. So it is, I like how they put the number on it so that way I know which way to use it. So I'm gonna show you guys, you know, me using it, and I'll definitely give you guys updates. So let's see how it goes. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. Like, I just hope I can, you know, have like glass skin. That's like my main goal in life. So I hope this works, and they told me to just give an honest review and to do like a full video on it. So yeah, I gotta work on that. I'm probably gonna try to use it for at least like 2 to 3 weeks just to really see if it works, and then I'll just leave a review from there. But yeah, I'm so excited. My first package. So yeah, I have to go to work tomorrow, and tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So today is Wednesday. I don't know if I said it earlier. So I have to work tomorrow. It's so annoying. Like, this is my first time ever having to work on Thanksgiving. I actually just started this job, and I just feel like I should have really thought more about working holidays and weekends, and I thought I could handle it, but it's very hard. It's very hard. But yeah, I'm super excited. So now I need to edit my video. I need to eat dinner. It's like 10 p.m. and I haven't ate dinner. I haven't edited my video, and I have to wake up at 6 a.m. Actually, I need to wake up at 5 because I'm in charge of the turkey. So I need to wake up super early and make that. Ugh. And it takes like 3 or 4 hours to cook. because I can't wait till tomorrow because I get off at, he said like around 1, but who knows like what time they actually let us leave. So if I wait till 1, we would be eating really late, like my family. So I don't know. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna bring y'all along tomorrow so y'all could see my Thanksgiving and everything. And I actually got some really cute things from Ross. Like, I cannot go back there like anymore, y'all. I need to take a break because I'm trying to save more money. But I don't know if I should show you guys or make you wait and do like a whole separate video. I don't know. I only got 5 things, so I don't know if it's enough for like a full video. But we'll see. We'll see what I do. We'll see what I do. So I'm gonna go get something to eat and I'll see you guys later. Thanksgiving, we got Mac Demo. Life with Cara. Forever Londa.